This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Marr. This beautiful home has been lovingly cared for and maintained by the owners. Windows and sliding doors are impact glass. The open foyer and vaulted ceilings give an airy feeling as you enter this home. A split bedroom floor plan offers privacy from the primary suite and the option to close in a third bedroom. This bedroom space is currently used as a den/office, but does have a closet and access to a bathroom. The kitchen is bright with a skylight and sliding doors to the patio. Appliances have been replaced with nice stainless steel, including a microwave, still in the box, that will convey. Bathrooms have updates, with the primary bathroom offering a large walk-in shower. The backyard is a true oasis of beautiful landscaping, fruit trees, sitting and sunning areas. Sliding doors from the family room and kitchen offer plenty of natural light and easy access to enjoy the outdoors. Inside laundry with shelving and storage, attic space in the garage offers plenty of storage space and electrical box has been updated. Come and see all that this wonderful home has to offer. Country Fair is a desirable community with low maintenance fees, community pool, tennis courts and children's play area. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Marr at 561-209-8900.